Festival of Charity 2023. Friends in Jesus Christ, my vocation is love, said Saint Teresa of Child Jesus. When we go behind the mystery of our vocation, we may come across this divine word, love. This is the only criteria by which God has called us. In the Gospel of St. John 15:15, we read that, I have called you friends, you are my friends. These words are specially addressed to us because we receive the divine invitation to be His son, to speak and act on behalf of Him. The vocation that we have received from God is not to be served, but to serve others with our abilities that God has given to us. The vocation to Chameleon Order is something precious and it's unique. It's all about His love and grace. The vocation that God has given to us is not a medium for us to boast about ourselves, but thank God. Our vocation is an answer of God to the people who cry aloud day and night. Moses was an answer of God to the people of Israel in their misery. We are also certain answers of God to guide them as a good shepherd, to heal their wounds and listen them patiently as St. Camillus did in his life. According to St. Camillus, the vocation is an inspiration, the divine call to a perfect way of life. The vocation of each chameleon is perfect when we serve the sick with more compassion in our heart. Our very presence also should be a Christ experience for the sick to whom we serve. There is an English proverb which goes like this: an honest man is the noblest gift of God. It is very much true in the life of St. Camillus. He had a heart which was filled with compassion towards the sick, which inspired him to call the sick lords and masters, because he has seen the face of Christ in the sick. Our vocation is also a call to serve with compassion. To become a true chameleon, first and foremost, we need to have a Christ experience in our life, that of St. Camillus, as well as a compassionate heart for the sick. Let us ask the Lord to grant His blessing, to become His friend like Moses, to intercede for the people like Aaron, to glorify His name each movement of our life like David, to burn with zeal like Elijah, and serve the sick with more compassion like St. Camillus. Let us ask the Lord to grant His blessing, to become His friend like Moses, to intercede for the people like Aaron, to glorify His name each movement of our life like David, to burn with zeal like Elijah, and serve the sick with more compassion like St. Camillus, who taught us to serve the sick like a mother who cares for her only child who is seriously ill. May the Lord bless us all through the intercession of St. Camillus. Amen.